Hello everybody, so, as you probably have seen from the title, or from our last, if you've probably seen from the title, we're going to be talking about the Golden Slime Lago! Wait, hold on. Oh, for a second I thought there was a paper. But last time we discovered the ancient bee. Not actually ancient, but we have unlocked the bee and I have shown you how to, handle the worker bees. Of course, as you can see with all the fantastic. Oh, that is not good. Oh no. If you had seen what I've seen an angry person that is wanting something back. You can guess who. No, I don't want to stone chickens. They're adorable. I don't want to kill them. They're too adorable to kill. They really are. They're a blessing. Chicken. We're not getting off. Oh wow, I stayed on this time. Wait. No, I'm not letting you. No. Oh, come on. Red Echo. A blue. Oh. Yep, there he is. He's vomiting blue, green, and something else. But anyways, folks, I have been thinking over and over and over, thinking. Now, I'm going to show you what I've been thinking about. Now, each time I think more and more, I think, I love videos, but then I realized, hey, you know what? What do I do with these things? Now, I know what you're asking. What? What are those? They're actually gilded gingers. I have no clue what they're supposed to be for until now. Now, you must know the gordo trap, right? Well, from our previous episodes, yes. You can crack it in sorry, right now I'm just, gordo slime. Oh, they're not Largo slimes, they're gordo slimes. I am stupid. Okay, but we're looking at the golden gordo. Or something like that. The golden gordo. Now, you must be thinking, what? I've seen that in some videos. I thought it was fake. Well, here's the thing. I don't know if it's true or not, because I haven't seen it. So, this is like my discovery. Although, I've been thinking, most of the time, we have 4 of these guys. Now, I was thinking, okay, from when I wasn't even doing YouTube at all, I've seen these things, they're a veggie, and guess what attracts them? Veggies? Oh ho ho, these fellas. But let me tell you something. This is its favorite food. And if I can get some golden, I'm gonna call them the golden defenders. Clever, right? Golden defenders. Although it's gonna be hard. I won't say why. Because have you forgotten? Every time that I do something ends up total failure. And what that means? Well, that's the thing. Sorry, I didn't mean that. I don't really do everything and it means total failure. But I love slime ranchers, of course. But you must too, because if you're looking at this video, you may or may not be, well, there's like a 50% chance that you may love slime since you're looking at this up. And you've been clueless to this very day. Is there really such a thing as the golden slime? Now, some people would say it's crazy talk. There's no way the developers would add that. Think again. Developers just love surprising the player. And what would surprise us more? I'd say something big, shiny, and that is a very, very possible chance to blow up and give me a bunch of money. I mean, yeah. But if I do this, I could have tons of money. Like I'm saying, like mountains full of money. Because since if I blow them up, which of course I will, they will turn into smaller. Like as in, if I give them a golden ginger, it adds 2 to their count. That's not what we want to do, actually. We're not trying to make them blow up. I want them, but not to blow up. Here's what I'm gonna do. Since I already have like the drones and everything, I'll make kits as if I pop it and use a new level on our thing on the jig. I don't really know what it is, and I don't really care. We have our little bumblebee bot. Very clever, I would say. It's time that I get working. After I do this. Cubes! Sugar cubes! That reminds me from something. It was like Bravest Warriors? Was that what it's called? It was like Kappa. Yeah, Kappa. Person named Kappa was like, sugar cubes! Drop them! Okay! It was adorable. Oh, I love cute things. I mean, who doesn't? Some animations to a million of other things. And I seriously hope my favorite YouTuber is watching this. And yes, some YouTubers actually have favorite. And you know why? Because when they wanted to do this, they wanted to be like them. And you know who is that? Vast Gaming. You should probably go check him out. He's like an owl. And I love owls. But I just love him in general because he makes funny stuff, and I hope he's like watching. Or any other YouTubers, such as Jackplayer. No, Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, which I think Jacksepticeye and Markiplier are like pretty even, like fighting for like a king. Who shall be the king? Markiplier or Jackapoo? Oh, we have Bob the Molester or whatever he does to chickens. I seriously don't really trust Bob. And I will never ever. But this guy's a lot harder because... What? Okay, no way am I going to waste a petal slime for crit... Dude! Seriously? Okay. Wow, this guy is greedy. Okay, I can teleport to one area. Oh, wait. Wow, look at me. I have one right here and the other one right here. I sometimes wish there was like none of that guy. Sometimes. But anyways, back to our thing. The golden gordo. Now, all you had to do, or you will possibly have to do, because I'm just saying this right now, you may not get them. And that's why it's time I go for the master, boy. With this master gordo snare, a master gordo, it basically snares most rarest things, and guess what we're going for? The most rarest thing we've ever seen. So let's do this. Unfortunately, I need honeycombs, which are found in either jungles or basically everywhere else in the frickin' world. JK, in jungle. So, I'm gonna have to go over to the jungles. Hopefully? Hold on. Do I have some stuff there? I don't think so, so I'm just gonna go... Actually, I'm not gonna carry my golden gingers. You know why? Everything I have seen till now wouldn't just suck if I fell into water and guess what happened? Oh, let's just say a boo, it got waterified. As in, I fell in the water, it gets either shot out by accident and something eats it, and boom, I am instantly horrified. The water is a lot more scary though. We'll say that. And I am all out of pink. I should have not let that dude take all my pinks. Oh no. Darn it. Why is this so weird? Do 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 do. Give me your pink, give me the pinks. I want the pink, give me the pinks. That sounds weird, but oh well, give me the pinks. There's only 6. I have 6. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. That's barely anything. I need like 20 more. I actually do need 20 more. Because I need a lot of honeycombs, so I'm gonna need a lot of pinks. Well, luckily there's option 2, and F it, well, might as well just, you know, go do Slimer Bowl or something. And also, I feel like someone's right behind me, watching me. I wonder why. Or maybe it's just my cat, Penny. Please don't person, you're gonna ruin my video. No. Oh yeah, I need pinks. God. Yum. That's why I collect pink. You're helpless. I got 20, so that's pretty good. But not good enough. I'm gonna need a lot more. Because I don't think the jungle is gonna let me have a break until I or someone else say so. Eat it. Like it. Digest it. Inflate it. I'm even sure I'll take the bees as well, I guess. You. Give me you. I want you. Give me the carrot so I can go on a rampage killing everyone. I mean, not killing everyone, but just... Oh, jackpot. We're still going, baby. We're still going. Something like that. Carrots. You want a carrot? Eat it. Good thing I have it. Now I want you. I just need these guys to be very good for something. Well, at least one thing. Make a werewolf. Whoop. Okay, I think that should be barely enough. If you don't know what, it's time to finally find out. Dunk. How did all of those knock down? Jesus Christ. No! Running it. No. I can't lose like 3 slimes in. 4 slimes in. Don't you... No. Come here. Come here. Why isn't it scoring? You gotta be kidding me, right? It didn't score, let's change. Jesus. But that's okay. We'll try again. Nope, I'm not doing that. Nope. Hello, Big Bot. I am not doing that again. Nope. Anyways, let's get back to our task. I'm going to make thingamajig. Anyways, we're like basically 20 minutes in, and let's see. Don't want another drone. Well, they are pretty useful. Aha. Oh, wait, no, I wanted to do that so I can boop and dang it. Ah, bummer. Anyways, at least we have 1, and I'll go for 10 days. Yes. No. Yes. But actually, this way is fast. That was fast enough. Might as well collect some pingles as well. Nothing to hear here. See here, drones. Totally nothing. Not like a briefcase full of course or anything. No. Give me some. Damn, that should be pretty good to get another one of those. The ghost through here. Yep. Oh no, it's dark. And the game. Nope. Nope. Come on. Ooh, I did not fall in. Thank God. I mean, all I really had was just 10 ports, and that was mostly it. So not too bad if I dropped in. But it would be bad if I had, like, this tingle. Oh, I do have some. Give you. I need. Yeah. Okay, it seems like there's only one more. Then maybe we can run away. So. There we go. Now we have 2. So that means we are going to have more. But no, I'm still on the look about the present like box, or if it like was like a one-time thing, and I just got it instantly. I don't know. Like I don't know at all. Like people are probably just like slapping their faces or like smacking their faces off like, Jesus Christ, this guy was an no. Watch it for the street, go. Okay, look, it's hard, okay? It's hard to film videos as well as get them to the place you need and stuff and other stuff. Okay, it's not like rocket science, like as soon as I like tell what I'm doing, it's just like 1 minute and I boom, gordo right here. You see it live, totally not colored in. Just boom, it's right there in the space. Cool, whatever, leave. No, I don't do that. And if you think you're so good, why don't you do it? Another one more that. There we go. Okay, so I don't have enough. Oh wait, no. I have enough for the second one. The advanced gordo snare. But I want the master one. Like I said, it is really good. And I need hexacombs. And for crying out loud, it's the master gordo. Master. So probably is gonna get me something really good. So why not? I mean seriously. It's like saying, oh, I don't want that. Even though if it's like golden poo or something. Not actually, but still. Golden poo. Wait, what is that? It's just golden poo, come on, man. Oh. It was turning night. Or turning day. I think it was day. Oh, okay. All my slimes are about to kill me. Especially that one. So I'm just gonna go grab it some food. Jesus Christ! Is this like a breeding house that like super breeds these fuckers? Seriously, I've been like, it's been just a few minutes and just boom. We have like just a cluster of fucking chickens. Boom, mate, more, I guess. I'm gonna overfill the thing again. Do it, I dare you. You can. Question is, what do I do with these roosters? I guess, there you go, like your lucky day. Boop, boop. I'm not letting you go anywhere. I don't trust you this time. You had your chance. I like how it shows like the bee's like face, like, oh hi, I'm money. Like you're actually selling or like doing something else. Chicken, special delivery, whatever, eat it. Okay, so now that we have done that, oh, well, I was just in the area where I should have been. Wow. Hilarious. Also, want to know why I let these guys do whatever they want? Because they're basically like my chicken eaters for like now on. I don't even have to feed these guys. Like, because like, for one reason, it's just like every time I come back here, it's just overflowing with chickens. I guess it's just like a vast seas of chickens. And there still is, so I just let them do whatever. And yeah. And good stuff sometimes happens. Don't know. It really is just like a vast sea, like that. Like a vast sea of children, except they're all grown up and they're roosters and chickens. That's what it feels like a ball pit full of chickens. Actually, that would be really cool to see, like, for like, another one of these. Last time I've seen these, it dropped something cool, like this. What? You gotta be kidding me, right? I just got a jack ornament. Ooh, I may be the first. Once I publish this video, of course. Or second, who knows? I'm pretty late. Well, I'm gonna grab that. And now, Beeswax, you're less important, so I'm just gonna totally not neglect you. I'm totally gonna shoot you down. Okay, now I have roller. Oh wow. This is the best. This is the best. Jesus, I already have a jack ornament. This is perfect. I'm gonna lay it down where I find the most monsters. Or which one I think is the most monstrous. Oh, I just thought of an idea. Oh, that would be awesome. Like, if like they make the tars like actually pumpkins instead of like the regular like tars, they're just pumpkins. That'd be so cool. I wish I was big enough so like the slime ranchers would listen to me and like make all the like tars into like pumpkins. Like, oh, that'd be perfect. Aw. Another great thing I love is King of Thieves. It's still updating though. Oh wait, no, that guy needs something better. Something way better, way better. I'm gonna hang it near where I think the most deadliest thing ever is. And you can guess it's in here because voila, I have seemed to have the most deadliest things ever. Here you go, slimes. You deserve a reward. I'm not even sure that is counted as a reward. I don't know. You're just scary. So I'm gonna just leave and make sure I never come back. And maybe like 30 or 40 years when I need to actually feed you. Which is never, because I never will. But those guys are scary. I hate them so much. I mean, seriously, like, look. They're like radiation crystal slimes. How can you not be scared of them? They're like saying, oh, over here. You want to die? Come over here then. It's full of, ooh. I want two though. Oh, and I also need spiral steams, which is the most common thing ever, and I can get in 3 seconds. Actually. Oh, okay. Well, shit. Do 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 do. So far we only have one golden defender trap, which we will be placing them. Oh yeah, I was thinking of placing them over here. You know, to be like, you know, yeah. Oh, cool. I had more. Okay. Utilities, install. Now, whatever we're gonna get, and if it's not a golden slime, which I'm going to it's placed down. It's placed down. I cannot grab it back. It's placed down. So whenever I go to sleep, we have something new. And hopefully, I am really hoping that there will be a golden slime. But for the meantime, I'm gonna have to leave, which is sad because I don't like to leave. Because, you know, all in well, it's just, you know, scary. Because, you know, golden slimes, they're really rare. And to get, like, a big piece of that, that's even rarer. So, like, thinking I'm gonna get it is like trying to think you can grab, like one tiny, like $5,000 from the bank by just saying, I want $5,000 when your bank account has zero. Yeah, seriously. You're gonna get mugged, it's gonna be really hard. It's like impossible. And that's what I feel about the golden slime. We got another one! Ooh! Ooh, another one of them. I'm gonna place them to the next scariest thing. Probably the same one, because it's the most scariest. Or just boom slimes. That too. Look how many jack ornaments I'm gonna get. Jesus Christ. Just the season we should be running. Da la 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 la. Oh. I forgot to do. Oh no, I wanted to place one down. That's right. Since I had this. I wonder, do I have anything over here? Because I'm pretty sure I do. No? Got that all cleared up? Sweeped off? Okay, yep, okay. Gonna grab these too, since I like them. Come with me now. I know how to be with the bees. But still, I'm gonna be neglecting again if you get in my way. So far, I'm doing pretty well. Luckily, I got another jack-o'-lantern. 2 in one day. That's pretty rare for me, but I don't know. Has another YouTuber done 2 in one day? This is the same day. Lost a jack. Oh no, oh no, oh no. My, let's see, my countdown, or I'm taking too long, is past 30 minutes. Well, I am gonna cut the video short, but I don't want to, like, make it really long or anything, because, you know, that's gonna be really bad if I do. Oh, wait, where do I put this then? Sure, let's put it up here. Welcome to your doom. You had to feed the slime for eternity without any drones. That's your challenge. No! No, seriously, that would have really sucked for me. Because there is just so many slimes and just... Look at this! They're overfilling with, you know, fruits, everything. Okay, the days of this game is time. Time to go to sleep and see. Okay. No, hold on. Is this real? We have a golden defender defending this. We have defending. Oh. I wonder if the bee can fly into his mouth. I want to see that happen. Hold on. Wake up. Go. Oh my god, this is a dream come true. This is gonna be the snapshot. Hold on. I'm gonna try. Ooh, the 3 golden defenders. Oh, I could do like something like this. You know? To be like the 3 defenders. But with the 4th. That's actually gone. I'm just really stoked right now. Hold on. Is he gonna who's he gonna react to this? Like, holy Jesus, that is a large fellow. Where did you get him, master? Nowhere. I trapped him here. You enslaved him. What? No, I didn't. Shut up. Oh, I want another one. I want another one. I'm greedy, but come on, I'm not the only one who wants like 30 of these. Or maybe 40, but still. I just want more. I mean, come on, it's like freaking gold. How can you say no? The more I take them, the more like I don't get torched or anything, because, you know, I disrupt their eating. I shouldn't make this video too long. Actually, I may end it here. So, well, I'm not gonna really end it, but I'm just gonna, like, you know, close it off for you guys. So you don't have to see me, like, just grinding up more, quartz and just trying to get another one of the fellows. Because, Jesus Christ, I want more. Because I am a greed. I'm king greed right now. So I'm gonna go gather up the stuff I need and feed that guy before he kills me again. Well, not again, but still. Well, shit. Whoop. One down. Feed him to the, those guys. Oh, wait, no, I could have used them. Oh, wait, no, I have these here. Chicken attack. That bounced right off the statue. And maybe into my golden slot. Chicken attack. Get me angry. Be nice. There. So I don't want you destroying everyone with their sonic damage. Okay. Well, now to get another rooster. Or, sex slave. Or whatever. You look pretty good. With their derpy eyes and whatever. Anyways, it's been 40 minutes, but thanks for watching, and I hope you have another great time, because I did with my golden guy right over there. Well, not right over there, but still. You get what I'm saying. And if you don't, whatever. Goodbye.